Yeah, that's just funny.
Okay.
And then there's a Stephanie and Tanya show. And we just stay here.
Okay. Go.
Where's your head? It's a Stephanie show and the Tanya show. Where's your head at? It's a Zanny show and the Sunny show. Ba 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 bum.
Okay, so we're back, and I'm Zanny once again, and this
And I'm
is
Sunny.
Sunny,
And we would like to introduce our new music
DJ, Crispy. Hey, turn around, Dick. Turn around. Okay, well, he's still a little camera shy, but he'll get used to it.
So today's there by what was his name?
Red Ninja Explosion.
Woo! He dared us to have a burping contest. So
So basically, it's gonna be who does it the most.
yeah, because
Yeah.
neither of us could burp loud.
Yeah. Okay.
So whoever burps the most wins.
So here we go. Fuck. This is harder than it looks.
Can you breathe for a second?
That was just gross.
It doesn't smell like something.
I'm over here dying. Daniel, stop.
I'm feeling weak. I'm feeling weak.
Oh my god. Okay, we get it. We get it. We get it.
I think we should let the viewers decide. who
Yeah.
wins. So I can still go on. Do you still want to go on?
No, I'm over here dying. We get it. We have our winner, Sunny.
Wait, they're gonna vote.
Fuck it then. I'm gonna keep going.
It got dark.
Turn it on. Ew, that's fucking gross. Okay, so you guys get to vote
My chest hurts.
and see who won. Okay, can you fucking stop? We get it. And stay
That one
tuned
just came
for
out.
upcoming videos.
This is the end of the show.
We
Goodbye.
have 2 new videos where
We
we're
sing.
going to be singing in one. Well, actually, we're going to be singing in both. But one, we'll be singing the national anthem while stuffing our face with food. And the other one is a special song
Hey, you guys should
from
shuffle.
someone who requested it.
Hey, you guys should shuffle.
So,
Those
stay
are
tuned.
requests coming in.
Hey, you guys should shuffle.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.